Here at Fairmont Orchid, we greet our guests with a lei kukui. And the lei kukui symbolizes light, enlightenment, and knowledge. A lei that will never fade, a lei that our guests can take home with them as part of their souvenirs or memories of their visit here at the Fairmont Orchid. Hui holokai, which translates to ocean adventurers, are our beach boys and girls that work down at our Hui holokai beach shack. And every day is a spectacular day here in Hawaii for water adventurers. And we have our canoe rides, we have our stand-up paddling. For any guest that is looking to get on the water, we urge you to sign up for your stand-up paddle adventure with one of our Hui holokai. Keiki, or children here at Fairmont Orchid, have so many things that they can do each and every day. One thing that is extremely popular is our daily arts and crafts class, and they'll learn to weave baskets. Our Spa Without Walls offers our guests a truly authentically Hawaiian experience. You have an option to have your massage either down at the ocean listening to the waves roll in and out, or by one of our waterfalls. It's a very calming and just harmonious experience, if you would. Lei in Hawaii are really one of the most treasured gifts. In our wedding ceremonies, that exchange of lei is equal to the exchange of the wedding rings. The artwork throughout the hotel and in our guest rooms especially are a wonderful representation of Hawaiian culture. A cocktail at the Fairmont Orchid is truly an experience. Fairmont Hotels and Resorts is absolutely committed to sustainable cuisine. Whether we're looking at food that comes from the ocean or from the land, we want to make sure that first we're serving things that are in season so that they're richest in flavor. And we also want to make sure that we're purchasing items from our local farmers as close to our hotel as possible. Each afternoon, approximately a half an hour before sunset, our Hui holokai help us to end the day with our sunset torch lighting. And in Hawaii, that sunset hour, that sunset moment is a very important point of the day.